Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip S Lite and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. It takes about 5, maybe 10 seconds. Once the watch vibrates and the screen turns off, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots back into a system. And that's how you force the restart on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.